Hey guys, cryptoFOXXY here. Hopefully, you guys are all having a great day. The crypto market has been pretty volatile, and that's pretty much what we're going to discuss in this video. I'm not going to cut to charts and really go into in depth on Bitcoin or anything like that. We're just going to have an overall discussion about how we feel about the market right now. So let's hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching over there as well, and let's get into it here. So I saw this article and I thought, you know what? This is exactly what I'm seeing in the market right now. A ton of fear, a ton of FUD, a ton of uncertainty, doubt, and people don't really know what to expect. And traders are saying the market has lost all sense of logic. Things are just not happening the way we expected. It's confusing. And just about every investor out there, everybody is wondering what the hell's going on. Despite pro crypto moves by the US government, we're just not seeing the price action that we were expecting. So that brings a discussion. And it's funny that I'm coming to make this video now because I have this discussion, with people in my life all the time, especially, maybe my boyfriend, because he hears me talk a lot about crypto and things like that. And, you know, Bitcoin might be behaving similar to previous cycles, but altcoins aren't. And really, that's what's confusing the market. Ethereum has been lagging extremely bad behind Bitcoin. Ethereum right now should be, 6K, in my opinion, or coming close to it. So we're seeing Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is very volatile. And, it weathered the storm fairly well with the last dip. But, we were expecting Trump to be more positive for crypto. And that's just not what we're getting so far. I think what we're getting right now is volatility because of the unknown, right? We're seeing right now, Trump was inaugurated, Bitcoin hit all-time high, 109K. And then immediately he starts rolling out with, tariffs and executive orders. And I think it's just leaving people very confused. I mean, we knew things were coming, we knew changes were going to be coming, and it was supposed to be beneficial for crypto. And really, what we're seeing now is instead of a Bitcoin reserve, we're seeing talks about looking into a strategic digital asset reserve instead of just Bitcoin reserve. So, and in the way crypto kind of works is a lot of times we get bumped up on hype, right? If he never even talked about this reserve and he just came out and said, "Okay, we're doing it," Bitcoin would probably be 120, $130,000 by now. But for the fact that people are waiting and have been told one thing and potentially could be getting another, that's what's keeping a lot of the prices down. And I know I know, guys, it's just me here talking, and this is not the types of videos that I normally do, but I just really have to get things off my chest because, um, it's very frustrating to sit here in the seat and to see people get so unbelievably frustrated with the market. Like, I'm here for you guys. I can go about my day and do my own thing. I don't really make much money off this. I make maybe a couple $100 a month, and I'll have YouTube ads and such. That's really it. It costs me money to run my studio and make upgrades and do all this stuff. And I'm really just here to I just want to tell you guys that you're not alone, right? I'm getting frustrated as well. There's things that I thought were going to be a lot higher right now, and it's not just me. It's not just me sitting here telling you things are going to the moon because you guys know that I don't do that. Um, we have a number of other people that are smarter, that have been in the market longer than I have, that are very, very confused right now. And really, it's just going to come down to the waiting game, in my opinion. And maybe things are changing. Maybe we're going to see things be a little bit more different. Um, just with the state of the macro factors, with Trump imposing tariffs, taking tariffs away, he's probably going to impose more tariffs. Talking about taking over Gaza. There's going to be a number of things that he's going to come out and say, and a lot of it is, in my opinion, psychological. I think he's a master negotiator, and I think that we can't take what he says we have to take it with a grain of salt until he proves otherwise, right? So, in my opinion here, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have not sold any of my crypto. I've been adding to my bags when I can during these dips and during these tumultuous times. And really, that's all we can do, right? Because we know if you've been in crypto long enough, if you're in crypto for a certain reason, right? And we've seen how this market goes. There has never been a more bullish time in crypto, in my opinion. Put everything that I just set aside for the last 5 minutes. Take a look at the government, how their stance is changing on crypto. They're buying crypto. They're coming out with, regulations. They're toning down their dogs, so to speak, who they're going after. There's a number of positive changes being made in the crypto industry and in the government as well. And I think that we're coming into a time that we just don't know what to expect. And I think that's really what's catching everybody off guard. It's like, can we really trust the government? Is the government really going to do what they say they're going to do? Well, that's we're just going to have to wait that stuff out, right? But there has been no other time in history that has been so bullish on crypto as right now. So I just want to let you guys know that I have the same thoughts that you do. However, and I'm not one of these people that are naive or bulls. Like I'm not like one of these bulls that are, always bullish, everything's going to the moon kind of thing. I'm quite reserved in my decisions. I try to look at both sides of the picture all the time. And really what I want to say is I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to still continue doing what I'm doing because I really think that this is going to pay off in the long run. And I don't think that capitulating here and selling off everything is going to help because really all I'd be doing is giving my bags to those who already have lots of money, right? There is a ton of market manipulation going on. You can just tell, right? The market dumps for very stupid news, right? And then it comes back. It's like, oh, the market's coming back. Oh, everybody's going to buy in now, and it's like you just sold and bought higher. So really, if you're having a really hard time, my suggestion right now is maybe just buy and walk away for a little bit. Or, keep an eye on the news every now and then, but don't stress yourself out by checking your wallets 24/7. Um, stressing yourself out about what Donald Trump said today because what he said today might not be what he does tomorrow. And really, that's kind of the best advice I can really give, other than the fact that, if you absolutely have to and this is really stressing you out and you have to leave, that's completely your choice. But I just want everybody to know that you're not alone. A lot of us feel the same way. Really, like I said, there's been no time that we can go back and look at that has been exactly like this, that we can know what to expect because we are coming into turbulent, confusing, tumultuous, exciting times in cryptocurrency. And I'm not going to throw that all away yet. So that's just what I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you like it. Just something a little bit different, but I've been wanting to get some of that off my chest. So if any of you guys are sitting here saying, oh, but Foxy, you said that FET was going to be $20 by September. Well, things change. I still have a long-term outlook on a lot of the cryptos that I own. That's not changing at all. And, you know, we'll see how it goes. Well, you're either in for the ride or you're not. So I'm staying, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.